Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is corn on the cob on the air fryer. So easy, delicious and nutritious. This is for the people that don't like to boil the corn. This is another method. You can do it in the air fryer. Here, like as you see, I'm brushing it with some butter, and if you like it spicy, you add some spices like Cajun spices or anything you prefer, some salt and pepper. That's the corn. I have 3 heads of corn here, or corn on the cob. I clean them from all the hair. Then I have a soft butter here, salt, and some spices for the end. The butter has to be soft. I brush the corn from all the sides. Be sure to do all the sides for the 3 heads of corn or corn on the cob. You can use this one. You can use the one that's cut in half. Whatever you prefer is the same result. Only brush it good with the butter. That butter will not stay there, because with the air fryer is only leave it moist and give it color and flavor. The excess of butter will stay in the basket. Here I took my air fryer basket, put the 3 heads of corn there. I will adjust the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Air fryer option. Start with 12 minutes. And be sure, to flip it from time to time, like halfway and toward the end, to get some color and cook the same for all the sides. Here, after 12 minutes, I check it. I see it's nice and golden from one side, but the other side still, not quite. I will add 4 minutes to the other side. That will be 16 minutes in total. And the corn will be ready. Here, after 16 minutes in 400 degrees Fahrenheit air fryer option, the corn is ready. It was really good and delicious, this corn. Easy to make, and it can be a side dish with any of your main courses. I will brush it now with some soft butter. The butter gives it a very nice flavor. I have here salted butter. And for the spice, it will be optional. If you like it low spicy, you add some spices. Here I'm adding a little bit of salt, not a lot, and some Cajun seasoning from both sides. If you don't like the Cajun seasoning, you can only put a little bit of salt, or only a little bit of salt and pepper. That was the easy and quick recipe for today. Thank you for watching, and see you next time in a new video and new recipe. Enjoy!